Hi, this is Rachin Valea. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talking about football. If you support me, please subscribe to this junior channel. Let's get started. Football, often called soccer outside of the United States, is a global phenomenon. It's more than just a game. It's a culture, a passion, and a way of life for millions. My love for the sport stems from its beautiful simplicity and its complex depth. The objective is straightforward: get the ball into the opponent's net. Yet, achieving that goal requires a symphony of skill, strategy, and teamwork. The pitch itself becomes a canvas for athletic artistry. I am captivated by the fluid motion of a winger sprinting down the sideline, the delicate touch of a midfielder controlling the ball, and the powerful strike of a striker finding the back of the net. The anticipation of a perfect pass, the tension of a penalty shootout, and the sheer elation of a last-minute goal are what make football so exhilarating. What I find most compelling about football is its ability to unite people. Whether it's the deafening roar of a stadium crowd, the friendly rivalry between different teams, or the shared joy of a World Cup victory, football brings people together from all walks of life. It transcends language, culture, and borders. It's a sport that teaches us about perseverance, discipline, and the importance of working together towards a common goal. Thanks for watching and subscribe to motivate me, because I'm also an English learner. Learn with me.